FlexiSites AI. Start your own website agency. Brand new 2024 ready AI site and funnel builder app. World's first ChatGPT4 powered AI app creates stunning websites, membership sites, and funnels in any niche in 60 seconds flat. Boost leads, traffic, and engagement with one click. Easily earn up to $345 to $1,000 per website by offering effortless website creation services to clients. No coding, no SEO, no third-party apps, one-time payment. Instantly build your dream websites using AI for any business. Launch unlimited jaw-dropping, traffic-pulling business websites, membership sites, funnels, landing pages, and more like magic. Access high, converting 100-plus page templates in trending niches. AI-based inbuilt image and text generation in the editior. Drive instant buyer traffic to your AI websites from search engines. 100% blazing fast and reliable web hosting for a lifetime to your websites. SEO-Optimized, dominate Google's first page. Commercial license included. Launch your profitable website agency now. Save time and money and stop paying thousands of dollars monthly to expensive website creators like Wix.com, Convertree, and others. Beginner-friendly, zero skill required, zero upfront cost or any extra expenses. Pay just once, not monthly. No hidden fees, no surprises. Risk-free, 30-day money-back guarantee. Unleash your website empire and get ready for the massive income boost plus triple your business. You are just one click away. Step 1. Buy and log in. Grab the software, log in. Access the dashboard and start right away. Step 2. Create. Choose from our built-in 100-plus pre-made website templates. Use our drag and drop builder and create your fully functional site from scratch within minutes. Step 3. Publish and profit. Once you create these gorgeous websites, watch traffic and commissions rolling in, sell to clients on freelance platforms, and pocket huge commissions. Don't just dream about success. Live it with FlexiSites AI. FlexiSites AI is a groundbreaking innovation powered by AI, your ultimate all-in-one website builder software. It can craft compelling AI websites up and running in minutes that drive sales and conversions, turning your viewers into loyal customers with ease. Finally, grab your hands on this mind-blowing tool and set up your very own website creation in minutes. Our clients are absolutely loving it, and they are small business owners and freelance website consultants. These creative entrepreneurs have discovered the secret to turning their passion for web design into a highly profitable venture. With FlexiSites AI, create a fully functional website from scratch. Choose from 100-plus high-quality pre-made DIY website templates, catering to hot business niches. Just choose your niche, and your website will be built in few clicks. Use our drag and drop website builder and create your desired website in any niche. Create website sales pages in any niche for any offer. Earn easy affiliate commissions by selling or promoting any affiliate offer on the planet. Create membership sites and funnels. Create sites for selling memberships and what more. You can sell your own products or services on your website. You can also design high-converting funnel pages or launch funnels effortlessly. Create websites for local businesses. Easily create websites for local businesses, food, hotels, online courses, real estate, ecom store owners, newspaper sites, jobs, and more niches, and help them scale their business. Promote and sell your products with style. Show off and sell your products or services with captivating website that drives interest and boosts your sales. Build high-converting squeeze pages. Attract and convert leads with tailor-made squeeze pages designed for your offers and audience, increasing your subscriber base. Generate SEO-optimized websites. Generate AI websites that align perfectly with your chosen keywords, maximizing your visibility on search engines and driving organic traffic. Boost sales and engagement. Engaging video content will grab you more website visitors, higher click-through rates, and increase sales. Land high-paying clientele and make money with commercial license. Offer lucrative website creation services to others and watch your income soar. And this is just a fraction of what FlexiSites AI can do. Have a look at the stunning websites you can launch with FlexiSites AI in minutes. So, dear friend, if you want to buy these or want to know more, please visit the description link below or check out my bio. Thank you.